If you want to vote in an X poll, also known as a Twitter poll, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to vote on a poll in x.com using your phone or computer step by step. It only takes a few seconds, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know what to look for. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X and navigate to the post that contains the poll. You can usually find it in your home feed, on someone's profile, or through a repost where the poll is embedded in the tweet. Polls are easy to spot because they show multiple answer choices underneath the post. Once you've found the poll, take a moment to read the question carefully and look over each of the options. This is important because once you tap or click your choice, your vote is registered immediately. Now, click on the option you want to vote for. On mobile, just tap the answer. On desktop, click the answer with your mouse. As soon as you select it, X will instantly update the results so you can see the current vote counts or percentages. You'll also notice a check mark appearing next to your selected choice, which confirms that your vote has been recorded successfully. That's really all there is to it. There's no separate submit button, no extra confirmation screen, and no need to refresh the page. Your vote goes through right away the moment you choose an option. If you ever change your mind before leaving the post, you can usually tap a different option to switch your vote, depending on how the poll behaves while it's still active. But in most cases, the main thing to remember is simply to open the poll, select your answer, and look for the checkmark confirmation. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to vote in an x.com poll with confidence.